Okay, so the next step then will be to place our windows. We place our doors. Now is to place our windows. If you go to 3D, you can see our doors, the way they look. See the entrance door. And if we zoom in here, we'll be able to see the internal doors. However, if you remember, we placed a partition wall, and that's what's shooting out here. So we will need to trim the partition wall. Remember how we trim? Um, Very easy. So use the trim to roof and you trim out the partition wall, the tiny partition wall we put. Okay, so let's start putting in our windows. We need to put a window in the living area as well as the bedroom and bathroom. Let's start with the living room windows. To place the window in the living room, let's activate the window tool, double click, and then we'll change the settings as it is. Let's find the type of window we want. We want the window to be a sliding window, and type in sliding in the search button, search column here, and then choose forward slash sliding window 22. Change the settings. The width it will be 2.5. The height, let's make the height 2.4. So we want it to run with the entrance door that we have there. Changed from the header to seal to story to seal to story, and let's make it 0.1. We want it to review to wall core, not wall face, and we want it to be 0.05. Anchor point this time, we want it to be side 2. Change it to side 2. And then go down to classification and properties. It is the first window we are creating. So it will be window 001, structural function, non-load bearing, position, exterior. This is on the exterior wall. Choose OK. Now we want to place this window somewhere around here, but we want it to start 300 meters from the partition wall. So as usual, we'll use the guideline to do that. And we'll move the guideline 300 meters. Point 3 from there. And then we'll place a window. So we want it to swing in so it can open in to the house and not out. Awesome. So we've placed the living room, one of the living room windows. We want to place another living room window here, but we want to place it at the center point of this wall. So we'll have to change the anchor point from side 1 to center, which is this one up there, and then just place your window swinging into. Good. So we have placed the 2 windows in our living room. Let's place some windows in our bedroom and our toilet. To do that, let us open up the settings of the window because we still have the window tool activated. Open up the settings, and this time let's choose 3 search sliding window instead of 4. That is this one. And then we'll change the settings. The width this time will be 2.4. Height, let's do the height as 1.5. Seal to story 0.3. Review to wall call 0.05. Anchor points will be center. Classification, non-load bearing and exterior, and then click OK. Now we need to place the 2 windows on this wall and on this wall, but we want it to be at the center point of the wall in the room, in the bedroom, and also on this wall. So the best thing to use, the easiest thing to use the wall, the line tool to figure this out. So click on the wall, the line tool here, and then draw a line horizontally across the room. Find the middle point of the line, draw it down to cut this wall into two. Let's repeat the same on the vertical right wall. Find the midpoint, draw a line that will cross it. So we found the midpoint to draw the line to draw in to place the windows on both walls. Hit escape to deactivate the line tool. Activate the window tool. Make sure we still have the type of window that we want, and then we can comfortably place our window. Remember, swinging in, place the next window here, swinging in. So we placed our windows in the two places we want them to be. Okay. So then the next thing we have to do is to place the other window in the toilet. To do so, just as we've done before, double click on the window settings to open it up, and this time we want to use window 22. So let's find window 22, type in window 22, and we'll find window 22. Window 20, there it is. Awesome. So click on it to activate it, and then we'll change the settings as follows. The width, we want it to be 0.6. Height, same, 0.6. Seal to story, we want it to be 1.8. Review to wall core, 0.05. Anchor point, center. Leave everything as it is. Classification, non-load bearing, exterior. I'll say okay. Now place this tiny window anywhere along this wall. It doesn't really matter. But I try to see if I can place it at the middle point. And yeah, swing in as usual. And we have that.